Why 95% of students take notes wrong and how to fix it? Attention students! You've been lied to about note-taking your entire academic life. That's right, that neat, linear, highlight everything approach you've been using? It's about as effective as trying to memorize a phone book. Here's the shocking truth. Research shows that a staggering 95% of students are taking notes in ways that actually work against how our brains naturally process and store information. Talk about an academic facepalm. The biggest note-taking crime? Trying to write down everything. When you frantically transcribe every word from a lecture or textbook, you're not engaging your brain. You're just turning yourself into a very slow, very stressed human photocopier. Your poor brain never gets a chance to process what all those words actually mean. Another massive mistake? Those beautiful, color-coded, perfectly organized notes that look Instagram-worthy. Sorry to burst your aesthetic bubble, but those pretty notes often trick your brain into thinking you understand the material when you actually don't. That false confidence is a GPA killer. So what's the solution? Enter the science of active note-taking. The game-changing difference is simple. Effective notes aren't about recording information. They're about processing information. Your notes should be a workout for your brain, not just storage for facts. Here's how to join the elite 5% of note-takers who actually get it right. First, embrace the Cornell Method. Divide your page into cues, left, notes, right, and summary, bottom. This format forces your brain to organize and synthesize information, not just record it. Second, use the holy grail of active note-taking: questions. Instead of writing statements, transform information into questions and answers. This simple switch activates your brain's natural problem-solving abilities and drastically improves recall. Third, incorporate mind maps and visual connections. Our brains love spatial relationships and visual hierarchies. A simple sketch connecting concepts will stick in your memory far better than paragraphs of text. Fourth, and this is crucial, leave space for your future self. The magic happens when you revisit notes and add new connections, questions, and insights. Your notes should evolve as your understanding deepens. The best part? Students who switch to these active methods typically see grade improvements of 10 to 30%, all from changing how they write, not just what they write. So ditch those passive transcription-style notes that are sabotaging your learning potential. Your brain and your grades will thank you for finally taking notes the way your incredible neural network was designed to use them.